Hello students, today we will discuss surface area and volume of cuboid and cube. When we are talking about cuboid and cube, we are having these two figures in front of us. One is cuboid, its length, breadth and height are different and 3D figure. Another is cube whose length, breadth and height are equal. This is called cube and this is called cuboid. Cube and cuboid both are having 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 surfaces. Vertices where three plane faces meet called vertex. As a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, total 8 vertices. Edges where two faces meet, that line is called edge. In case of cuboid and cube, both are having 12 edges, and surfaces have 2 dimensions, length and breadth. In case of cuboid, there are 6 rectangular surfaces, floor, roof and 4 walls, and in case of cuboid 6 square surfaces. But total surfaces in case of cuboid, cube and cuboid are 6. Is it okay? Okay. And then when we are talking about surface area, so it is having 2 dimensions, length and breadth. Okay. So surface area in case of cuboid, rectangular surface area, floor, the bigger length of floor is called length and shorter one is called breadth, and perpendicular one is called height in case of cuboid. So floor and roof, these two are congruent, their area twice LB. This wall and this wall again congruent to second pair. This is H and this is B, so BH and BH. Again this is H and this is L, this and this again congruent. So there are total 6 surfaces, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. We have to remember this, that is total surface area of cuboid. Is it okay? Next, lateral surface area. Lateral term comes perpendicular surface with respect to earth. Lateral area of 4 walls, उसको lateral surface area भी हम लोग बोलते हैं. Okay, so lateral surface area is equal to 2 into H into L plus B. Here 2 into L plus B is perimeter of floor as well as roof. Perimeter of floor as well as roof is 2 into L plus B. So हम लोग बोलते हैं, और perimeter of floor into height is also lateral surface area or area of 4 walls. Is it okay? Now floor and roof area. Floor and roof area मतलब LB and LB. This means twice LB, floor and roof area. Last but not the least, in case of cuboid, volume. Volume, what is volume? Volume is total space occupied, that is 3D. Total space occupied by the cuboid, that is volume. Oh, volume, in case of volume, if it is cuboid, then it is breadth and it is length, LB, another LB, another LB, another LB, H times LB. Total space occupied is LB H times. So LB means area cross section into height on it. It may be B into L into H. Then B will be perpendicular to it. So it is in another way area cross section into height on it. That is volume. In case of cube, cuboid or any homogeneous figure. Okay. So volume of cuboid is LBH or HBL, or area of cross section into height. Area of cross section into height. Anything may be your answer, but concept is total space occupied by the cuboid. Is it clear? Next, we are going through cube. In case of cube, all the 3 dimensions, that is cube is having only 1 dimension. All the 3 dimensions are equal, means length is equal to breadth is equal to height is equal to A, that is side. So what we will do? We will go through total surface area. The total 6 faces, all faces are square. 6 square faces, all faces are square. So formula will be 6A square or 6 into side square. Lateral surface area, again area of 4 walls, that is laterally present, laterally enclosed, total cube. So lateral surface area will be 4 into a square, and volume in case of cube, volume again a into a square, and perpendicular 1 a square. If it is cuboid, all dimension equal, then a into a square, a square, a square, a square, a times, means total a cube. Similarly, from any direction we can say total a cube. Like volume of cuboid is a cube. Now you had tips for some. If you are casting and molding or melting to form 1 cube to 2 cubes, 3 cubes, 4 cubes, and vice versa, then total volume before casting, molding and melting should be equal to total volume after casting, melting and molding. Okay, so now after this we should go through the chapter. We should go through two problem sums. So problem sum 1, please write down problem sum 1. Problem 1, how to write and how to crack. We have to discuss how to write and how to crack problem sum 1. Problem sum 1. The length, breadth and height of a room are. So you have to write in this way. Room, length, breadth and height of a room where 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. With unit you have to write, because there may be you have to change. There may be a chance to change unit, because all units should be in same way, in same fashion. Okay, so find the cost of whitewashing the walls. So walls means only 4 walls, that is lateral surface area. Walls may, when we are talking about walls, roof and floor will not come into account. So the cost of whitewashing means area of 4 walls. Turant you have to writing area of 4 walls is equal to 2 into H into L plus B. Both cost of whitewashing of 4 walls of the room, and ceiling at the rate, and ceiling is also there, and ceiling is also there at the rate of 0 rupees. Rate क्या है? Rate rupees 7.50 per meter square. That is cost. Find total cost. 7.50 meter square at the rate of, you have to find out, मतलब to find total cost. Total cost. So you have to write that how much area, that area should be meter square. So meter square into rupees, rate into meter square will cut, your answer will be in rupees. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to do total cost is equal to rupees 7.50, मतलब 750 by 100 into 2 into height 3 into L plus B, मतलब 5 plus 4 9 plus LB means 5 into 4 20. यही हुआ, ठीक है? Is it clear? 750 and 10 कट गया, तो 75 by 10 into 6 into 9 मतलब 54 per plus 20 74. Is it clear? Total rupees this much. So you have to multiply and you have to write down answer. The answer will be rupees this much. Is it clear? Check, multiply and check how much is your answer. Okay. Now in next video we will discuss 2 to 3 problems. Till then, goodbye.